Hi guys, it's me Rose here again at Shoes of Hollywood. Sorry I got the giggles. I'm doing another shoe review for you today, and these ones are called the ADORE-798 and they're in a 7-inch heel. So as always they come in a really cool storage box. I'm going to unravel these because I don't think I've seen these ones before. So okay, so they're a pretty gorgeous shoe. So there we are. Woo! Look at those, they take my breath away a little bit. So these are a rhinestone cage rhinestone look, yeah. So they have the nice kind of shiny black bottoms to the shoe, and as you come up on the shoe a little bit more, they've got these gorgeous cage look rhinestone straps that just make them so elegant and gorgeous looking, yet I don't know, they're really taking my breath away a little bit. So, but they have the zipper on the back this time. So 7-inch heel, so these shoes would be perfect going out to like formals, weddings, anything like that, because they've got that really beautiful, elegant look. Yet they got the 7-inch to give you that little bit of extra height and, you know, that beautiful look. So yes, I'm going to try these ones on, have a little walk around. Now these do make me a little bit taller than what I am. I just want to tell everyone I am 5'2". A lot of people think I'm a really tall woman. I'm not. So once I have these on, it brings me up to like what, 5'9", 8, 9. So that's just a little thing to think about. So I'm going to try these on because these are absolutely going to pop outside because they've got that beautiful rhinestones and there's so many on them. It's really nicely placed, and that cage look rhinestone straps here that really secure your foot, and at the back you just zip that up and there you go, it's on. Beautiful heel. They would absolutely, you'd be the eye of everyone wearing these shoes. So we'll put these ones on. Oopsie. Really easy to put on. They look like they're a bit difficult, but they're super, super easy. And just zip up at the back. And that 7-inch there just gives you that extra bit of height. Elegant. So I'll give you a little walk around. Oh, they're extremely comfortable. And yeah, just go a little walk. Oh, I do like these. They're a really cool design. So, yeah. Alright guys, as always, I'm going to give you a little side view sitting down. So if you are at a nice event or formal, something like that, and you're sitting down, you've still got the eye of the show here on these beautiful shoes. They're really put together really well. They're gorgeous. Alright, so as always, we are going to go outside for a little walk so you can see those Diamantes globe pop. I just want to say it is like the hottest part of the year in Australia. It's really, really hot, so we're going to be as quick as we can. I know a lot of people say, why aren't you walking longer? We will in the cooler months, but right now we're doing what we can. So just work with us. So also don't forget to like and subscribe. There's a little bell up here on the left hand corner. Make sure you always click that and keep up to date with what we're doing. So we're going to go outside for like a few minutes, if that, and then get back in this aircon. It's really hard to explain on camera how hot it is here. Again, I do apologise for squinting. It is so sunny and hot here. But yeah, we shouldn't even be outside in this heat, but I'm doing what I can because you guys request it. So yeah, winter months we promise we'll be doing a lot more outdoorsy stuff. But yeah, I can see them twinkling in the sun, so it's really cool. We do actually get to come out here for a few seconds. These shoes look amazing. Look at that. Look at them twinkle. Oh. Diamonds are a girl's best friend, right? Or gemstones, rhinestones. I feel like my face is melting, so we pretty much In this city we live in aircon. If we didn't have it, it would not be a good time. So I'll lose my breath out here, it's that hot. So hope that was enough, everyone. Beautiful shoes. I need to get inside because it's like the middle of the day. What a relief. And there we have it. I'll quickly take these off for you. Hope you've seen enough of these shoes because these ones are pretty beautiful. Zip up at the back and slide straight off. And there we have it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this review as much as me. I can't wait to see you on our next video.